Alright, so we had some extra pavers behind the warehouse and some pallets, and we thought, hey, in this freezing Florida weather, we're going to need a fire pit. So we're going to build a gas fire pit using this scraps. Alright, so we're going to cut down this pallet into a platform so we can move the fire pit around after we're done with it. Cut the pallet down to size using a sawzall. Make it all even. Nice and pretty. Kick the scraps out. Alright. So once you stacked your pavers up, measured it out to fit a 26 by 7 inch pan. That should drop in there to hold our burner and the rest of the gas kit, which we're going to go to EasyFirePits.com and get by choosing their basic propane connection kit, which is pretty awesome. And then you can optimize as much as you want to in the kit, choosing your fittings, lengths of hose, burner size, pan size. And we went with the 24-inch T-burner and 26 by 7 inch pan with the basic propane kit. Fits like a glove. Alright, so the basic kit comes with a regulator, adjustable 12 foot of hose, the burner mounting bracket, which is a 4-inch fully threaded pipe and 2 threaded washers, some Teflon tape, a brass fitting, and then we opted for the 24-inch T-burner, and we just need 2 crescent wrenches to put it all together. And it comes together in 15 minutes. So we're going to take the mounting bracket pipe, 4-inch fully threaded pipe, screw it into the bottom of the burner, and assemble our first washer to determine the height of the burner within the pan. Looks good. And we're going to flip it over and assemble the second washer to lock it all in place. Make sure that's down real tight. You can use a grip to get that even tighter. Once that's in place, then you'll put on a little bit of Teflon tape, about 3 wraps around the bottom, clockwise, the way that the brass fitting will screw on. That'll just make sure there's no leaks underneath the pan. Luckily for us, if there is, it'll all seep out of the bottom and blow away, but making sure that doesn't happen anyhow. Once that brass fitting's assembled, now we'll take our hose, run that out the bottom of the pallet fire pit, and connect the first end to the straight flare fitting, which we opted for in the kit. Tighten it by hand as much as we can, and then we'll put 2 crescent wrenches on it to even further that wrenching down. Looks good. Nice compression fit. Tight, sealed. No tape on that end. No tape between any hoses ever. Just drop it back in there, tighten it down a little bit, put it in place. Looks good. Alright, now that we have our hose ran out the bottom, we'll connect our high pressure adjustable 20 psi regulator, tightening by hand first, and then taking 2 of the crescent wrenches to even further wrench down that compression flare fitting. No tape there ever. Just a tight compression fitting, no tape. Alright, and then we have our high pressure POL valve that goes on the inside threads of the tank via lefty tighty. Lefty tighty. Push it in there, use the black hand wheel to lefty turn tight on the inside threads. Yeah. It's just for high pressure regulators. If you turn right, you'll be spinning it all day. You'll never get it connected and you'll be cold. Then once that's connected, open up the tank valve a little bit, and then open up the nozzle on the needle valve of the regulator, and use your click torch to light it up. Click torch is what we like the best, just works every time. Don't need any ignition. And look at her going, full blast. 20 psi regulator. Tame it down or make it as big as you want. And the best part about our fire pit is we get to jack it up and move it anywhere we want. Just take it out here, away from the loading zone. and drop her down into place. Easy fire pits. Great kit, straightforward parts, takes a fraction of the time to build, and well, can't say enough. Time to relax. Enjoy our easy fire pit. Nothing like it.